40,000 pounds for the construction of this building. 40,000 pounds, a lot of money in 1714. In today's money, like more than 300 million pounds. So in the beginning, this was a scientific library. Now the scientific books are in Swindon, 30 miles outside of Oxford, and this is just a reading room. This building is connected to the underground tunnel with the old Bodleian Library and another library on the other side of this building known as the Western Library, which we will see after some time. So that is called University Church of St. Mary's. We are going to go on that side now. And this is called the Bodleian Library. Can you see? So this is the Central Library of Oxford University, known as the Bodleian Library. We are going to come back here. So these rooms on the ground floor, these were all lecture halls earlier. They were used here, as lecture halls like 200 years ago or before. So we are going to come back here later. Now we are going to go on that side, see the oldest part of Oxford University, also visit Narnia. So please follow me and enjoy the free foot massage here.